Hey guys, I had this meeting earlier, so if you're joining me now, it's just because I forgot to record. So I wanted to make sure that there was a video in here in this meeting so that you can go back and look to see if you need help with this assignment. Make sure you use it, please. It'll be in the chat. So this is the labeling continents assignment. This was from the very first week of school, and some of you guys weren't even on Teams at that point, but I also didn't get a packet back from you. So if that's the case, hang in here with me, and I'm going to show you what it looks like to be in the labeling contents assignment. Or sorry, continents, goodness gracious. I know I did a video on YouTube a long time ago about this, but I just wanted to make sure that you guys had access to something, and if you're in this meeting where you can see this, it means that I didn't have this assignment from you. So I'm going to go ahead and change it up because I've been showing block 1 and block 3 a lot, but I'm going to go ahead and I'm clicking in my Teams app, and in the Teams app, there's a Teams icon, which really throws people off. I'm going to click on block number 2, and then I'm going to click up here across the top where there's posts, files, class notebook, and 2 more. I'm going to click on assignments the 2 more, there's a little drop down button. I clicked on assignments. And if you notice, labeling the continents is not here. So I have to load my previous assignments because it was so long ago that it's kind of been buried in other assignments because the newest one comes to the bottom. So if you notice, boom, it's right here at the top, labeling the continents activity. So what I'm going to do, what in the world? Edit assignment. Oh, wow, they updated it just since earlier, like an hour ago. So new way to look at it. So label the continents activity. Do you see all these crazy instructions? Don't stress about that. We're just going to move ahead. Click on the continents PowerPoint. It says PPTX. And it's going to look like there's nothing to do, but there is. You have to click on Edit Presentation. And then if you have the PowerPoint app, do that one. If you just want to do it online, click Edit in Browser. And it takes a minute to load, It likes to be silly. So this first one is just explaining, first slide I should say, is just explaining a continent is a large land expanse, so just a big chunk of land basically, and these are the names of all of them. If you click on the slide number 2, it talks about the ocean being a body of salt water. It covers most of the earth, but there are 5 ocean names. I know this looks like a face. I was just blocking out the names of the oceans because I didn't want to give it away. Slide 3 is where you're really going to have to do some work. If you have a globe right next to you or you have access to a map, go ahead and use it. If that's not cheating, I just want to see that you are able to label this map. So if you see these lines right here, I didn't put text boxes here, so you can't type, but I did, here's the list of all the continents. There's Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Australia, / Oceania, North America, South America, and then the oceans are Pacific, Atlantic, Indian, Arctic, and Antarctic. So over here, if they have that little square, forgot what they're called, the little square shape next to it, it was a continent or chunk of land. If it had the little hollow circle, or maybe an O, next to it, it was an ocean. So what you're going to do is click on the term. So Africa, I'm going to click anywhere there, and when it shows the line and the dots, you'll see when I hover over that line, it gives me 4 little arrows pointing all different directions. That's when I know I can click onto the line and hold it and drag it over to where I think Africa is. So if I thought it was here, it's not. I would let go, and then I'll leave it alone after that because that's where I think my answer goes. Just FYI, it does go here. So that is a continent. See how it's a chunk of land and it has that little square icon? You know that at least it's a chunk of land. All I want you guys to do is click and drag, take these to their matching spot. If it's not 100% correct, I'm okay with that. I just wanted to see how much you know about our map. So there's Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean, Antarctic, Atlantic, and Indian. One thing I do want to warn you about, the Pacific Ocean is usually right here, but this is the map laid out flat, so I'm just going to give you an answer here. Pacific Ocean is going to be here. So then that leaves this one for the other one, the Atlantic, and yada, yada, yada. I don't want to give you all the answers, but this is all I need you to do. Make sure you click each of these and drag them into the place you think they belong. Try your best. Please don't turn in blank assignments. I would really appreciate it. And then after you finish, you just click close. Sorry, I got the hiccups. And where mine has that immersive reader right here, I believe yours says turn in. So after you have labeled each thing, turn it in and you'll be all caught up with this assignment. If you do have any questions, you are free to type it in the little chat on here or send me a personal message and I will try to get back to you tomorrow whenever I have a free second. All right, thanks. See you soon. Bye.